Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your apps. So doing this you will be able to change what your apps are called and the image or icon that your apps are shown with right now. So the first step is to go to Shortcuts, which is usually automatically installed. Then this is probably what you'll see at the beginning, and then you're going to click the plus button next to Select. Then I'm going to go to Scripting. Then I'm going to go to Open App. I'm going to click Choose. Then you can pick any app that you want to change the appearance of. I'm going to do Clock. Then you click the three dots next to New Shortcut. And you can change your shortcut name. I'm just going to call it Clock. But if you would like to change the icon, you can click there, go to Glyph, and find any icon that you want. I'm just going to do a clock icon, if I can find one. This alarm clock one. Then you can change the color by clicking color again, and I'm going to do this teal color. Then you're going to click Done, and to add it to your home screen, you're going to click Add Home Screen, and then you're going to name it again. And I'm just still going to call it Clock, and then when you say plus add, something should show up that says Added to Home Screen. Then you'll have the shortcut right there, so you can just go into it, and it'll take you right to it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a future video.